page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Copiana. Roger that, Copiana.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to MONAE Conversations. How are y'all doing today? Yes, today I am coming to y'all with hair reviews. I told y'all I'm coming back. I got so many hair reviews for y'all, so please turn on your notifications. I got a hair review. I have like a lot. I have a red wig I'm about to do. I'm doing this hair, some bundles I gotta make into a wig. I got a lot of stuff coming for y'all, so please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So today is going to be a review on this Diamond Dynasty hair, y'all. I'm so excited. I have in, let me tell y'all, I have in 4 bundles, and the closure is 20 inches. I was about to say 22. It's a 20-inch closure. 20-inch closure. And I have in the lengths 26, 28, 30, and 30. So, you know, like 4 bundles. Yes, 4 bundles. When you get anything past, really you're supposed to do anything past like 24. But I done did sewings with 20, 22, and 24. But anything past, yeah, 24, you want to double up at the end. So it could be really full like this. You do not want, you know, let me show y'all when I put all this hair to the front. Y'all gonna be like, that is some thick hair. See this? Let me stand up. Don't laugh at my pout. You see what I mean? You see how it's full all the way to the ends, you know? And I'm going to add a bunch of videos for you guys. But I just be wanting to show y'all in real time on the video. So y'all can't say, oh, she did this to the hair. Okay, so I told you guys the lengths. I have a 20-inch closure with 26, 28, 30, and 30. Yes, I got 2 30-inch bundles just to, you know, make it full at the ends. As you can see, my hair is really full. It's not thin, you know, because you really need an extra bundle if you're going to do these lengths. Now, anything less than 24, or you can slide by with 24-inch. Like, I've did it before, but if you want fullness, you got to pay the extra money. I'm sorry. So let's go ahead and do a packaging of what came in the box. So Diamond Dynasty hair, you know how hair companies, everybody gets their own little shebang, you know, things, products they're offering. And this is their social media. This is their social media, Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair. If y'all know who Rashida is off of Love and Hip Hop. Is that Love and Hip Hop? What is Rashida on? Is it Love and Hip Hop? I don't watch it, but I know who Rashida is. But if you watch that show, I'm trying to remember if it's Love and Hip Hop, like Kirk, all them. I feel like it's Love and Hip Hop or Basketball Wives. I don't know. I don't watch it. But if you know who Rashida is, go to her page. She promotes this. This is the hair that Rashida wears. And for a long time, I've been looking for like some long hair. Y'all, I finally found it. This hair is so good. So as you can see, I have it made into a wig, a closure wig. Yes, this is a closure. This is not a frontal. I didn't lay my hair under it. You know, I could take it off and on, but we're not about to do that right now because I didn't really, you know, it's getting hot. I need something that I could just slide off and on, you know what I mean? So I did not go with the frontal this time. Y'all like, oh, Jada didn't do a frontal. No, ma'am, not. And they gave me some eyelashes. Yo, I'm just looking at my hair. They got some cute little eyelashes. I'm trying to show their coats. Some things are basic. Your hair shouldn't be, baby. And they gave that, and of course, whatever, you know, your invoice. They also have vending machines for you to get the hair out of, and they have some in Greensboro, North Carolina, Durham, North Carolina, Lithonia, Georgia, Savannah, Georgia, Virginia Beach, and Townsend, MD. I don't know, is that Maryland? But oh dang, I could have went to Savannah because I live in Statesboro. I could have went right around the corner. Okay, anyways, let me get back to the video. But dang, I didn't know that. So, of course, you know, the packaging. And it came in this purple cute bag, but I don't know where I did it. Because when I gave the girl to make my wig, it's probably somewhere in my room. I have misplaced it, but y'all don't care about that. Y'all want to see the hair and know about the hair. So, here we go. Okay, you guys, now as I said, y'all know I've tried all types of hair. I've tried hair from small companies, big companies, white label hair that everybody love, and now I'm trying Diamond Dynasty hair. And when I tell y'all this is the best hair I ever had, I know every video y'all probably like, hey, she said this every time. Well, no, I don't, because I got a bunch of videos dissing people. Just take a look, so I'm not lying. This, like, you can just tell as I'm moving, You know what I mean? Like, it's not still, like, I don't even really have to say much because it just glows. Like, if you go to some other hair reviews I've done, not trying to diss nobody, you know, AliExpress or whatever, you can actually see the gloss in the hair. You know what I mean? Like, how it just flows. Like, you don't have to, it's not napping up. You can just play with it or whatever, and it just falls back into place. It's some very nice hair. You know what I mean? Do I experience shedding? Sometimes, yeah. Like when I'm brushing my hair, this is some really long hair. If I'm a college student, so I walk around campus all day long. One day I forgot my brush, and it's not like it tangles. Like, but when you brush it again, of course you're gonna have some snags because you've been walking around all day. But is it walk around all day proof? Yes. A college student is telling you that because that's all I do is walk around campus. And I forgot my brush one day, and I was so sad because this hair is 30 inches, baby. I need a brush, but it didn't tangle, which if I had some other hair, it would have been tangled, snaggly. I sit on it all the time or whatever, so the fact that it doesn't tangle is like really helpful. And also you can see that I've got it bleached. I've did some highlights in it, and the fact that it's still, you know, flowy after bleaching it and stuff is so wonderful. Like, sometimes you color some hair or whatever and it be looking messed up, you know. So it is color proof. If you go on their social media, you can see a lot of girls, they do different styles with it. Like, the hair is bleachable, okay? You know, some hair you'd be scared to bleach it. This is definitely some hair you can bleach or whatever. Okay, so let's talk about shipping. Shipping is fairly fast. Like, they get you your hair out or whatever really quickly. Like, some links take extra business days, but mine didn't. I think on the website it say past 28 inches takes a few extra business days, but mine really didn't. And they were doing a sale. So let me tell you guys about the pricing. They're affordable when they have deals. And the reason why I say that is, yes, the hair is more expensive. You know, it's higher quality hair, obviously. But with deals, girl, wait, get your tax money, get your refund check from school, hold on to it. When they do a deal, go for it. I got 40% off this. Like, this hair is probably like $400 and something. With 40% off, baby, it cut it like right almost in half. You know what I mean? So wait for them to do another deal. They do deals every week. Like, I follow them on social media. So follow them on social media. And they do a deal, and then they be like, ending tomorrow, and they extend it, girl. So wait on you a deal. Don't go on there getting happy. Oh, let me hurry up and get the hair. No, wait for a deal. And they probably already got a deal right now. Like, what is it? Valentine's Day? I don't know. So y'all get this hair. It is so beautiful, because I know my subscribers be like, Jada, well, what hair to do? I be going through hair telling y'all it's bad, and y'all probably be like, well, dang, what hair can we wear? This is approved by me. Approved by MONAE Conversations. That's gonna be my new saying. Approved by MONAE Conversations, okay? But I'm just so satisfied because y'all know my struggle. I come on here and I talk to y'all every day about being so sad because the hair, like that white label hair that I bought, what, $400 hair, just would shed on me and do some, like, just, you can just watch that video to see what all happened to me. This was very professional in a very timely manner. I didn't even have to contact them because they had already sent you a tracking number. They send you stuff. Like, we wouldn't have to run you down, hair companies, if you went ahead and did stuff like this and sent us the tracking number. So, boom, I'm the type of person that like to, you know, look at everywhere my hair go. Like, I be getting alerts to my phone, and the company is actually in North Carolina, I think. Where did I get that? Oh, Greensboro, North Carolina, and I live in Georgia, of course, so it wasn't even that far from me. So don't take my word on the shipping, because it's literally like a state over, you know what I mean? So I got my hair fairly fast. So if you live, you know, across in another country or across the United States, it should still, you know, be fast, because they send it priority mail, and priority mail is just priority mail. Like, it's no difference. But I am closer. Like, it's not one of them ran by somebody out in China and sending hair from China and blah blah blah. No, like, the hair didn't have no crazy smells to it, like, you know, AliExpress hair. Sorry for putting y'all out there like that, but it didn't have no smells like that, you know, nothing crazy. Like, this is hair from America, okay? It's crazy that I have to say that now. Now, where they get their hair from, that's none of my business. If y'all have any questions, y'all see I'm just so happy. Like, this is how you know. If in my video I'm happy about the hair, it's some good hair. Like, I was really excited to show y'all this because I'm really happy. Finally some hair that I can really tell y'all about and not have to, like, lie. Even though I don't lie because y'all see I made a whole exposed video of hair company. But, like, not come on here like, yeah, some good hair. Like, this is some beautiful hair. So y'all probably tired of me talking. I'm telling y'all it's good. The shipping is good. Follow my advice. Don't go running on there looking at the site like, oh, it's kind of expensive. Wait for a deal. Go follow the Instagram page, baby. Go follow their Instagram page. I'm gonna list everything below. Go follow this. You know, matter of fact, go to my Instagram page. I'm gonna put some videos and I will tag them. So if you want to make sure, because it's the same Instagrams popping up and you can get scammed and stuff. Go to my Instagram page, see who I tag, and you should see it. The Real Jada, at The Real Jada. And I will tag them exactly because I know I have some older subscribers that be like, Jada, you sure this the hair? Yes, it's Diamond Dynasty virgin hair. Okay, so I'm going to tag them. If you go to my Instagram page, if you follow me, I'm going to tag them. Wait for them to do a deal. They probably got a deal right now. I should have checked before I looked. And the hair usually be 40% off. 40. Not a little 10, 40. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know I talk so much. I'm trying to work on talking faster because people be saying I talk so slow. I'm sorry, I'm from the South. Okay, so yeah, follow me on Instagram for updates. I'm about to be doing a lot of, oops, my brush fell. I'm about to be doing a lot of videos. I have a red wig next. I got some bundles from this small black hair company that I'm about to do. I'm so excited. Got a bunch of reviews coming. Hit your notification bell, baby. Hit the notification bell because I need you to be seeing these videos. Hit the subscribe button. I love y'all. This is some good hair. If you have any other questions, I know I probably missed something, just DM me. I have my Instagram and email, even if you don't have Instagram, for people that are older that don't really do all that. Just DM me. I mean, email me. That's all you gotta do. I answer my emails very fast, you know, because I'm a college student. I have to check them every day. So just email me and I will get back to you in 24 hours. Or just DM and I will message you back very fast that way. But yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me. I really love y'all so much. Have a wonderful day.